The story of creation. Here's what you need to know: the creation in 6 days. 1. First day, God creates light, separating light from darkness. He calls the light day and the darkness night. 2. Second day, God creates an expanse to separate the waters, calling this expanse sky. 3. Third day, God gathers the waters under the sky into one place, revealing dry land, which he calls earth, and the gathered waters seas. He then causes vegetation to grow on the earth, including plants and trees bearing fruit. 4. Fourth day, God creates celestial bodies, including the sun to govern the day, the moon to govern the night, and the stars. 5. Fifth day, God creates marine creatures and birds, blessing them to multiply. 6. Sixth day, God creates land, animals, and then he creates man in his own image. He creates man and woman and gives them dominion over all the earth and its creatures. God blesses them and commands them to be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth. The day of rest. 7. Seventh day, God finishes his work of creation and rests, blessing this day and making it holy. Creation of man and woman. Genesis 2. The second chapter of Genesis provides more details about the creation of man and woman. God forms man, Adam, from the dust of the ground, and breathes into his nostrils the breath of life. He plants a garden in Eden and places Adam in it, giving him the responsibility to tend and keep it. God sees that it is not good for man to be alone, and decides to make a helper suitable for him. He causes Adam to fall into a deep sleep, takes one of his ribs, and forms a woman, Eve, from the rib. Adam and Eve live in the Garden of Eden, naked and unashamed. The tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God allows Adam and Eve eat from any tree in the garden, except the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. This prohibition becomes central in the story of the fall of humanity in the following chapter, when the serpent tempts Eve to eat from this tree. This story lays the foundation for the biblical view of the origin of the world and humanity, as well as the relationship between God and his creations.